Do you remember this classic scene in the American Graffiti movie where Suzanne Somers flirts with actor Richard Dreyfuss? That classic T-Bird, the original from the movie, will be showcased at Petaluma's Buffalo Billiards, so you can sit in the driver's seat for pictures while listening to live 50s and 60s music brought to you by the Smoke and Mirrors Band, eat great food provided by Preferred Sonoma Caterers and Velasco's, participate in exciting raffles, enjoy beer samples brought to you by Hen House Brewing, and see classic cars from the American Graffiti movie era. Best of all, proceeds go to help save lives. Maybe even your life, or the life of a loved one with the purchase and placement of AEDs, otherwise known as Automated External Defibrillator, a portable device that can send an electric shock to the heart to help restore a normal rhythm. AEDs are used to treat sudden cardiac arrest and save lives. To that end, Cruisin' the Boulevard, Petaluma's Salute to American Graffiti, and Buffalo Billiards Petaluma have formed a partnership, and you get to party, party, party. Take your picture in the original T-Bird Suzanne Somers made famous, and while you're at it, save a life. See you there.